I'm a science manager at NIWA. My role is really to facilitate those staff in developing and progressing their science careers. The key part is looking at those individuals and which stage they are in their career and what I can do to help them develop as scientists or develop as technicians. We've been developing the science careers of our students and bringing them forth so that they're then working with NIWA. They get some great training in practical science, and also they provide fantastic research capability around some of the areas we're working in. My focus is around natural treatment systems, so I work a lot with ponds and nutrient scrubbers and just ways of taking the natural biological systems that you see in lakes and rivers and streams, and with a little bit of ecological engineering, make these systems that will form a positive function for us in terms of treatment or remediation of pollution. So one of the major areas we've worked on is not only looking at waste as something that has to be treated, but ways of recovering resources from waste. We can look at recovering energy from the solids in waste as biogas. So we've done a lot of work with farmers, with piggeries, with the dairy industry, and with towns and councils here in New Zealand. There have been a lot of ponds around New Zealand, particularly in agriculture, where the water basically does get treated in what we call an anaerobic pond, but they weren't very efficiently designed, and all the energy, which is this methane gas that is released from them, is just going to the atmosphere and causing greenhouse gas emissions. So what we've done is shown in a New Zealand context how these ponds can be redesigned to make them more efficient, to put a very cost-effective cover over them and to capture that gas. And then there's an on-site energy source that could be used for heating, for electricity production. This system is now being promoted within New Zealand, so a lot of the piggeries are now using it, and we're working in the dairy industry now to show how it has a role there. We're doing international consulting, so we've had several systems being applied over in Australia.